Hello children. In this video, we'll have a quick recap for tomorrow's Kannada exam. And you are already aware of the paper pattern, I mean question come answer booklet, how it should be because you are already writing the exam. And another a week, almost a week to go for the end of the exam. Okay, I hope all of you are prepared. For any clarification, you can comment in the comment section or just go through the videos which I have posted for most of the lessons and the poem. Okay, and also model papers, the specimen paper from CISE. Okay, all those things we have discussed, and some short videos and grammar we have posted. You can also go through that. Okay, now all of you know I have posted this in one of my video. Okay, just a quick recap. So you will have 6 questions. Okay, so in 6 questions, the 2 questions, question number 1 and question number 2, will be from language part, each carrying 10 marks each. So here you can get 20 marks very easily. Okay, grammar will not be very tough. Okay, most of the questions you will be able to get it if you have read it. Okay, passage is a very easy one. You have to just be sync with the passage. Okay, when you are reading the questions. Okay, so just be careful with the answers when marking. Okay, don't mark them wrong or don't scratch too much and all. Okay, so here very easy to get this 10 marks. Okay, I'm sure all of you, all the students who are watching this video, and all the students, not only them, all the students who are going to write exam tomorrow will be getting this 10 out of 10 in the passage. Okay, grammar section. Next we come to grammar section. Grammar section is not very tough one. Okay, so the meanings will be, you need to see the options very careful, though you may not know the answers. So when you are guessing the answers, just be careful in case if you don't know. And usually they will be very easy and it will not be very ambiguous also. I hope so, because considering the present situation. Okay, so next question number 3. So here they will give a option to answer any 2 questions from these 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can choose any 2. Each question will have 10 sub questions in that and you need to answer. Okay, don't mix up them. So any 2 questions, select the any 2 questions which are easy for you. You'll have plenty of time, 1.5 hour time. Okay, so it will not be very tough. And each 10 questions of 1 marks. Okay, 10. So here it will be for 20 marks, totally 40 marks. So 40 questions, 40 marks, 1.5 hour. Very easy, right? You should be able to do it. Okay, now come to Sahitya Sangama lessons. You know which are all the lessons are there. We have already discussed. It's only 5 chapters, right? Not 5, 4 chapters. Shivabhutiya Kate, Deepavaliya Mahime, Talmige Valida Adrushta, Tuchip Tudan Tubhadradi. And know about the authors and also like Shivabhutiya Kate from Panchatantra. Who has written the Panchatantra? Or they can ask other way around. Shivabhutiya Kate dash ರಿಂದ ಆರಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ, ಪಂಚತಂತ್ರದಿಂದ ಆರಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೆದವರು ವಿಷ್ಣು ಶರ್ಮಾ. ಸೊ ಪಂಚತಂತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳ ಕತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಶಿವಭೂತಿಯ ಕಥೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಶಿವಭೂತಿಯ ಕತೆ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಲೆಸನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಅಂತ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ written some of the important adjectives, the characters which come in the particular lesson, because it will be very difficult for people to remember the characters ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಬಳಕ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೀವು ಅದು ಓದ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್ and this will be a recap for you. Okay, whatever you are doing, or if you have left anything and you are newly studying, revise it at least 2-3 times. Okay, today only. So tomorrow your exam, I think 11 or 11:30, 11 o'clock it will start. So before that, make sure that you revise everything whatever you have planned to study. So Sahitya Sangama lessons and poems will be optional. So if you want, you can choose. Some people, I think they have chosen Sahitya Sangama lessons as well as poems, right? Huh? Smart people. Okay, and Natya Mayuri also, if they have not in the school, if they have not done the poems, Natya Mayuri. Okay, Natya Mayuri is also not very tough. In that also same thing as I said in Shivabhutiya Kate. The characters, you need to remember their names, and important thing is sandarbha, sorry, the statements. Okay, so they will not give the sandarbha statements, who told to whom, and yeah, sandarbha also, if, under what circumstances that particular statement came. Okay, and remember all those scenes, especially for Natya Mayuri and Huvi. I don't have much information on Huvi, I'm just telling. So those scenes, you remember them as whatever, however you like, just for the sake of the exam. Okay, this year. Okay, as of now, this semester, tomorrow's exam. Okay, just remember them. Now when you are reading, when you are preparing, just remember them as scenes. Okay, as movie or something. Just try liking them. Okay, only for today and tomorrow. Afterwards, your wish. Anyway, other subjects are there for to study. Then we'll take up, after the exam, we'll take up other lessons. We'll see. So as of now, remember that. Okay, you need to revise whatever you have studied and remember those characters, don't forget. And somewhere these people come, right? Rajale, Bommale and all, don't get confused over there. uh, and I'm talking about Natya Mayuri. So in Natya Mayuri there are many things which you need to remember. Okay, and don't get confused with all those. And meanings again, so it comes only in the grammar, it doesn't come here. All the questions will be from your textbook. Then Sahitya Sangama poems, I have in the last minute, not last minute, yeah, now I have posted this Bakasura Navade. So if anybody wants to have a reference from there, you can have. And somebody had requested to answer all the questions of specimen paper from these poems. The poems, I had not read the poems, so I made a mistake in Thirukanakanasu, where exactly I just referred, because I had not gone through all the poems. If I have to go through, then I should know everything if I have to post the lesson. But before that only I posted the answers. So here what happened was, in one of your guide, I think. See, this is a mistake from that Bhattani. They have given Hogulu Bhatta. So I didn't see what is there, whether it's from Tirukanakanasu or not. I just marked it. But anyway, I have written the correct statement over there in the title page, which is the correct answer also. So Bhattani means Hendatiyaru or Raniyaru. Okay, so a lady of high rank, she will get the name because of her the status of her husband. Okay, Bhattani actually means that. So Bhattanigala ಕೂಡಿ ನಲ್ಲನ ಇಷ್ಟ ಸುಖದೊಳಿರಲವಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ತಿರುಕನಕನಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಆಂಬಿಗಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಏನದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶಿವಭೂತಿಯ ಕಥೆಯಿಂದ ರಾಜ ಏಕೆ ಶಿವಭೂತಿನ ಜೈಲ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ದ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು ಆಂಬಿಗಿಯಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಏನು, ಒಂದು, ಅವನು ಒಡವೆ ಕದ್ದಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ತಾನೇ ರಾಜ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಂದು ಇವನು ಚಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಯಾರೋ ಕಂಬಳಕ ಚಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ರಾಜನಿಗೆ ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ಗನ್ಸಿದ್ದಾಗೆ ರಾಜನಿಗೆ ಆಗ, ಸೊ ಇವನು ಕಳ್ಳ ಅಂತಾನೆ ರಾಜ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಅದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಂದ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡನು ಚಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದಿಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಜ ಜೈಲ್ಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಸರಿ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತು, ಅದು ಆಂಬಿಗಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಂಬಿಗಿಯಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, you may have if it becomes ambiguous in the view of the board, you may get the answer. Even if your answer is wrong, you may get the marks, not answer, sorry, you may get the marks for that. Okay, so this is a very quick recap. So all of you read, revise, recap, and calm down. Okay, when you sit for the exam, just calm down and answer all the questions. choose the sections from 3, 4, 5, 6, question number 3, 4, 5, 6 wisely and answer them. Passage, you can go back and check the answers. You will have plenty of time. So just recheck all your answers, and if there is anything wrong, make it correct them. Okay, so this is all I think I had to say. If anything else you want, you can just comment, okay, in the comment section. And best of luck for all the kids who are writing exam tomorrow. Let God bless all of you. Okay, Ganesha bless all of you. Thank you.